Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I am NekiCakes with another bomb healthy natural hair recipe. So jumping right in. I have my pot. I add 4 to 5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. The ingredients start with 1 yellow onion chopped. I will boil the onion for about 3 minutes. Next is 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves are my favorite. This gets added to the pot. Now I turn off the heat. Third ingredient is 4 to 5 stems of thyme. Last ingredient is 4 stems of rosemary. I like to buy a large bundle of fresh herbs, then freeze them for future recipes. You can definitely use dry herbs. 1 to 2 tablespoons is perfect. This will sit to cool down away from the heat for 2 hours to really infuse. And 2 hours later, this is what it's given. The onion is filled with sulfur to help stop hair thinning and breakage. It aids to nourish hair follicles to promote healthy hair. Also, it can give a beautiful shine to your hair strands and help with itchy scalp. Cloves have a high level of antioxidants and nutrients that help to grow and strengthen the hair. The thyme and rosemary improve blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging growth while boosting health and shine. You can apply the hair juice to freshly washed or dirty hair. I apply my hair juice to dirty hair. I prefer to sit and kneel over to get the blood flowing to my head while doing this treatment. So you will see me pour the juice throughout my hair repeatedly, squeeze out the juice and apply more, plus massage my scalp, which is very important. Before I show you how my hair looks now, let me show you how it was a few months before. This was my hair early January. And here's my hair by the end of January. This is my hair by the end of March and you can really see the growth. Now, here is my hair just a few days ago. The growth is real and you know I love to keep my receipts just so I can look back and show you guys how far I've come. My hair is healthy, it's longer, and it's shiny. The juice can be used weekly or every wash day cycle, even 3 times in 1 week. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye, guys.